Are you struggling to get your roofing business off the ground? Are you feeling overwhelmed with how to grow quickly and effectively? Well, you're not alone. Many new businesses or old businesses continue to face these challenges day in and day out. But today, I'm going to share the 5 game-changing tips to help you grow your roofing business. Are you ready? Let's dive on into it. Now, tip number 1, focus on quality and customer satisfaction. Now, I know this sounds like a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised how many businesses overlook this fact. If you are able to deliver top-notch quality work and ensure your customers are happy, that is going to be your ticket to success. Happy customers mean repeat business and referrals. And let's be honest, word of mouth is still the best marketing strategy that's out there. Think of it this way. Every happy customer is a walking billboard for your business. Plus, who doesn't love a good pat on the back for a job well done? The best way to do this is to put yourself in the shoes of your customer. What do you like to see? How would you feel if X, Y, or Z happened? The more empathy you can show to your customer's situation, the better connection you will have with them and be able to solve their problems. Now, because you understand how they feel, they're going to appreciate that and they're going to give you a 5-star review. Tip number 2, make sure you are leveraging digital marketing. If you're not online, do you even exist? It's 2024, folks. Make sure your website is sleek, user-friendly, and optimized for search engines. Get active on social media. Share before and after photos. Make sure that you have customer testimonials and maybe even a few behind-the-scenes bloopers, because who doesn't love a good laugh? And don't forget about Google Ads and local SEO. When people search for roofing services in your area, you want to be the first name that pops up. Now, if you want to become the 5-mile famous, I highly recommend following Joe Hughes from Contractor Dynamics. Him and his team are teaching business owners in great detail and their crews how to become experts at becoming the go-to contractor for their area using organic social media practices. Tip number 3, network and build relationships. Get out there and mingle, attend industry events, join trade associations, and make friends with other business owners. Networking isn't just about swapping business cards. It's about building genuine relationships that can lead to referrals and collaborations within the industry. Remember, it's not just about who you know, but also who knows you. Make a positive impression and opportunities will come knocking. I promise you that. You can first start by identifying the types of individuals you'd like to get referrals from. Is there a realtor you may want to connect with and become a referral partner? Perhaps there is a home inspector that you could offer referral bonuses to or discounts for their clients. Or is there other home service businesses that you could partner with and refer people to as well, just to build that network a little bit more effectively? Remember, your network really is your net worth. The larger your network becomes, the larger your revenue becomes as well. Tip number 4, make sure you're offering competitive pricing and financing options. Let's face it, roofing isn't cheap. And not everyone has a rainy day fund big enough to cover it when something does happen to their roof. Make sure that you're offering competitive pricing and flexible financing options, and it's going to make your services more accessible and appealing to potential customers. Think of it as helping people get the roof they need without breaking the bank. Now, who wouldn't appreciate that? Financing is becoming such a crucial thing these days. If you're not offering it, you will soon be left behind. Most people don't have access to $10,000 or $20,000. So they're looking for ways to do business with people who can work with them. Finding a financing company willing to partner and support you is going to be your best chance of success for financing options. Now, there are lots out there, as they know where the industry is heading. So make sure that you're taking advantage of that. And finally, tip number 5, make sure that you're investing in technology and training your team in that technology. The roofing industry is evolving. We all know that. So keeping up with the latest technology trends and training your team accordingly really is essential. Whether it's using a CRM software like Zoho or something like AccuLynx or JobNimbus, you want a system that is going to have your project accounting, allow you to manage your jobs, and allow you to adopt the latest roofing techniques. Staying ahead of the curve will set you apart from the competition. A well-trained team using the best tools available isn't just more efficient, it also boosts your credibility and customer satisfaction. Now, if you want to learn more about how CRM software can revolutionize your roofing business, you can book a free discovery call with us down below in the description to explore the possibilities. So there you have it, folks. 5 tips to help your roofing business grow fast going forward. Make sure that you're focusing on quality and customer satisfaction, you're leveraging digital marketing, you're networking and building relationships, you're offering competitive pricing and financing options, and finally, investing in technology and training for your team. If you follow those 5 tips, you will be well on your way to success. And that's it for today's video, folks. If you found this video at all helpful, give it a thumbs up and share with your fellow roofing pros. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on growing your business. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.